Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, daytime running lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.